you able to facilitate the chair of this committee will listen to my question? Madam, order. Listen to my question.
Yes.
Listen to my question. I have not asked my question. Are you able to facilitate the chairman of this committee with your bank details, where you paid those funds from, please?
Ndio.
Haya. Uko nazo, unaweza kumpatia kama ulivyopatia zile zingine tafadhali?
Ninaweza kumpatia, lakini not for public.
Not for public?
Yes, anaweza kuona.
And anytime you talk about not for public, this is the parliament. We have considered ourselves as a court. That's why you saw. You're talking and giving evidence under oath. So can you proceed to facilitate or give the chairman the bank details, please? Clerk and sergeant, can we be assisted to give the chair?
All right. So that now we can make progress. I think an opinion is already formed. Maybe on the matter of the documents, I want to refer you to the Parliamentary Powers and Privileges Act, and specifically Section 18, or 1, invitation and summoning of witnesses. Parliament or its committees may invite or summon any person to appear before it for the purpose of giving evidence or providing any information, paper, book, record, or document in the possession or under control of that person. And in this respect, Parliament and its committees shall have the same powers as the High Court has specified under Article 125 of the Constitution. So the documents being sought, I understand what you mean, because really it is your bank account. You do not want people to see your private balances. Unlike us politicians, we like to share so that people know we have no money. In fact, if we had an opportunity to share our statements, to be very, very happy, so that you can see members who receive maybe 5,000 in a month. So, but at the same time, it is our duty to establish this, because the payment is done from your account. And therefore, you will submit the details of the bank that made these transfers, not for purposes of establishing your personal data, but for purposes of trying to verify with that bank every little detail about this particular payment. And I think that is fair enough. So that information must be provided to the committee, the details of the specific bank that made this transfer, and the amount of the transfer in whatever currency the money was paid in. With that, members, please, I want us to summarize this particular matter. We still have two more appearing before us, right? And therefore, you will be the last one, and I'll give you only 30 seconds to Mulanya. And you are doing it for the second. Can I allow Mulanya, then you?
Okay.
Please. Mulanya. And so can we just do faster? Tuanze hapo na tumalizie hapo. Yes.
Thank you, Chair. Madam Ann, you said that you have been trading in oil. Can you just give us the names of the companies you have been supplying, at least 5 of them, for the last 5 years, so that we will follow up to verify? Because this is not the first import you are doing. Thank you.
All right.
Asante Madam Ann, maswali yangu ni mawili kwako. Nikienda kwa poto ya IPRA, sioni jina la kampuni yako ambayo imekuwa inafanya biashara, ingawaje umesema yako unafanyia kule Dubai. Lakini vile mwenyekiti alianza kuuliza hapo awali ni kwamba masharti ama requirements kufanya biashara ya mafuta importation katika nchi yetu lazima uwe na IPRA license, na naona kampuni yako ni ya miaka kama 10 na hata kuna mwaka mmekuwa na leseni ya IPRA. Na nikiangalia katika kampuni Galana ambayo imeweka presentation yao katika page 6 chairman, utaona yale kampuni ambaye mafuta ambaye Galana inasema ilileta ambaye ina upishi kutoka kwa Madam Ann. Ukiangalia page 6 barua ya Ministry of Energy and Petroleum, State Department for Petroleum, ambaye imeandikiwa CEO wa Galana, utaona kampuni zote ambazo zilikuwa na share ya hiyo mafuta ambayo ililetwa. Kwa hivyo inaonekana
buyer participation.
Yes. Na naona katika hizi kampuni sijaona kampuni ya Ann ambayo ina IPRA license. Na pia ningetaka pia nimeona kwa leseni ile ya county government wako nayo, na sheria inasema ni lazima uwe na IPRA license. So tungetaka pia kujua hiyo IPRA license ambayo nilimsikia kwa TV akisema ameapply katikati ya mwaka ama mwaka ikienda kuisha. Sasa zile kampuni ambazo zinafanya mafuta zina apply sasa leseni ya mwaka ujao. Kwa hivyo inaonekana kwamba yeye hakuwa na leseni na hafai kuparticipate kuuza mafuta katika nchi yetu ya Kenya bila IPRA license. Kwa hivyo biashara yake katika ipoto ya IPRA haiko kabisa. So ningetaka tu ajue hivyo.
Aya. So please the last one. Please the last one. Kabisa.
Mr. Chairman, mine is just a statement. It's just a comment to the team of Ann Njeri, because I can see there is an advocate in this team. I'm of the feeling that this committee was not accorded by this team the respect it deserves. And the reason why I'm saying this is why they decided to supply or to furnish this committee with the faint copies. Was it deliberate, or from where did you generate these copies? Thank you, Chairman.
All right, something must come to an end.
Chair.
You will just allow me to conclude that. On this question asked by Mheshimiwa Aladwa on the IPRA license, I request you, Mheshimiwa, we skip that because she has already said she has never dealt with any importation of the product in the country. So basically, that explains. But maybe you can respond to this question of, was it deliberate? Because all your documents cannot be read. They are in a font which is very specific to frustrate us.
Point of order, Chair.
Why is it that these documents are so faint? Okay. Who was printing?
I don't know if I can respond. I think because of the time that they were given, yes, they went to run copies, but they didn't know that black and white would come out faint. But I do commit that I shall provide colored copies, a set of 15 for each member.
So it was a problem with the printer?
Yeah, the photocopier.
Okay. Where is 30 seconds?
Yes, thank you so much, Chair. In a dispute between two, I just want to give an example, an analogy. Ikiwa tunang'ang'ania gari mbili ambazo registration ni sawa, over ownership, number one, tutahitaji kuona logbook. Tutahitaji kuona logbook. After kuona logbook, pengine kama tumenunua
the same car from someone, tungependa kuona either invoice ama sale agreement. Kufikia sasa Galana wametuonyesha letter of credit ya kuonyesha meli ni yao, na pia walituonyesha commercial invoice ambayo watailipia after 180 days. Sasa kutoka kwa Njeri, because na wao pia they are claiming ownership of this product, we have not been able to see anything. No proof of payment, because Chair, I think I want to support Mawade kwamba kufikia sasa hiyo swift confirmation ingekuwa iko mbele yako. Kama hilo halijafanyika, then I think we don't have any case to prosecute here. Yeah, that is my submission.
Right. As we release you, I just want to know where your office is located in Dubai, and how many staff do you have?
How many codes?
The people working for you are how many?
There are supposed to be 25 people.
Supposed, but
Yeah, I was getting some stuff from here in other countries because we cannot employ one tribe. You have to mix different countries.
Chair, there's a question about the 5 people. At least 5 traders they have been dealing with, where she has supplied fuel for the last 5 years.
It's okay, she'll answer that. And the location of the office, where is it in Dubai?
What is so?
You can give us a list of the people you have been supplying oil with? 2.
Yeah, I can do that, but that also is a private and confidential according to the clients. Hakuna mtu anatakikana kujulikana. Nikitoa hiyo siri nje, nitakuwa nimeexpose client kwa
kuuza mafuta.
Ndio.
Okay,
so yeah, it's true. Kuna contract inasema hivyo.
Kwamba wenye unauzia mafuta wasijulikane.
Wanaweza kujulikana, ile inaenda kwa nani. Sawa? Lakini
kwani hii biashara ni fake.
Tuna sign IMFPA ya ICC. Huwezi kudisclose more information to the public.
Honestly, Chair, I said, Chair, we have always investigated a lot of clients, and for the record, I think this is a hostile client to me. I beg those reservations to be for me. Finally, Chair, I think my also question, I asked a question of, she said she formed a company in 1990. She didn't answer. And I think the client is dodgy, Chair, just for the record.
All right, so I will take, we'll have first break with the following paragraph from your statement. In regard to MT Ogui, which was loaded with 100,000 metric tons of product, EN 590 10 ppm, I submit that I purchased the fuel using credit line, mark the word credit line, held in HSBC Bank, Dubai, together with business partners. So now, it is clear that you said you had the money, you did wire transfer. This paragraph talks about a credit line and the HSBC, then talks about further partners. So what you will assist us with is the partners. You will give us the list of the partners that you hold those credit lines with. I will not ask you to give it now, but that can be submitted to us by tomorrow to understand who are these partners, and then make up your mind and tell us whether it was cash money or it was a credit. Just choose one and send it to us. So with all those many things, I want to thank you in a very, very special way for your appearance. The council, the friends, you did the right thing. And I want to promise you we will get to the bottom of this matter and know the owner of this particular product. So may you be blessed and may you have a Merry Christmas. So the Sergeant at Arms, you can escort the team.
Chair.
Yes, so that you can have the second team. I would request not to reopen, please, with my request to let's not reopen. Let us just allow them. The team that was giving moral support, we also want to thank you. Many people don't do that. We showed special love. Thank you very much. Nawashukuru. All right. So, as with the move out, can somebody maybe prepare Kenya Ports Authority? Right, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. All right, thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you very much. Okay. So everyone is allowed to smile a bit, and then we can now take to the next step. It is legal to smile. So the next one is members before we walk out. The next one is a KPA, and then you'll have to make a decision whether after taking KPA, we will take the CES on the matter of the other pending matters, or we will break for lunch briefly. Yeah? Okay, we can then just squeeze them to 10 minutes. He's supposed to also join us after this team, so we'll know the position. Do quickly, yeah? Okay. All right. Yeah, so, yeah. Okay, so members, we'll make it brief because we also have, the C is already here waiting actually. Sana, karibuni sana. All right, good afternoon. We are, I don't know if we're already in our second session now. And I want to welcome the KPA team. We prayed in the morning, and we are still working under those blessings. But we will allow quick introductions so that we can know who is here. My name is Engineer Vincent Kawaya, the Member of Parliament for Mwala and the Chairman of the Energy Committee. I will ask the members to quickly introduce yourselves.
Geoffrey Mulanya, MP Nambale constituency, a member of the committee.
George Aladwa, MP Makadara, Nairobi County, member of this committee.
Walter Wino, MP Awendo, and a member of the committee.
Victor Koech Mandazi, member for Chebalungu.
Alphason Barongo, MP Pumachoge Borabu, a member of the committee.
Cecilia Asinyeli Ngiti, County MP for Turkana, a member of this committee.
Clerk.
Thank you. My name is Adam Gidicha. I'm the clerk of the committee.
Thank you, Chair. My name is Mary Lemelele, Committee Clerk.
Salim Athman, Clerk Assistant to the Committee.
Brian Jeru, Fiscal Administrative Committee.
Robert Lamet, Research Officer.
Caroline Musioka, Hansard Officer.
Waich Rehema, Audio Officer.
Mercy Mayende, Media Relations Officer.
Chair.
There is yes, Mheshimiwa.
Mawade, MP Embakasi South constituency, and a member of this committee.
Okay, now, who is leading the KPA team? You can state your names and your position, and then